This is Rita from the Scene Online, and I want to congratulate you on starting your group. You should have received your email saying you're ready for your group. When we set your group up, it comes with 3 pages: your home page, your members, and your forum. So you're going to go back to the groups pages where you originally signed up from. So you have your home, your my page, community pages, and groups. So let's click on the groups. And this is the page where you signed up for it. That was the form. Right now we're going to look for your group, so sort by most members. You could go under date created or name. I like to do name because it'll bring everything up in alphabetical order, and this one is called the Cats group. So I'm going to click on that one. This is just an example of how you would manage your page. So you have your home page, your members, and your forum. Right now we're just going to talk about the information that's going to go right here on your main page. For your home. You cannot change these right here on the side. This is the actual Scene magazine, and down here, if we scroll down, that's the contest. This is over here if someone wants to leave a comment, which you could change later on. I'll show you how to do that as well. But right now, this is going to be your description here where it says this is for people that love cats. You can post pictures. Let's say you want to change that. You're going to edit your group. When you signed up, you gave us some information, but maybe you didn't have a picture or you didn't have all the information. So right here are your tools. If you click on that, that's a link. These are similar tools that you would have from any desktop program that you have on your own home computer. This is where you would add an image. So if we want to add an image, we click on that icon. The second one here, not the first one is link. The second one will say image. So let's put an image in there. And right now we're just going to put this image in here. Say OK. You got to click on OK. This will tell you how big the picture is. So if you're having a problem, it could be because the picture might be too big. So right now we're going to put it on left, and I'll show you the difference between left and center it. Right now we'll say left. If you want to center it, you'll put it there, but let's say left. Say OK. So here it is here. So if you wanted to center it, you could go back and edit it here and click center and say OK. If you double click on this, it'll bring this up, edit or delete. If you don't like that picture and you want to delete it, you can delete it. So if we delete it, we're just going to go here and click on here and then maybe upload another picture. Say OK. Always make sure that it says OK, and we want to center it this time. We're going to say OK. And then we always want to update it. Okay, so here's your group information here. So now you have a picture and you don't have a description of it. You're going to go back and use the edit tool. The edit tool is to edit that information. Manage pages we'll talk about later. Manage members is just if we assign someone if you don't want to manage it and you have somebody else in your group that's going to manage it, you could change members. Invite would be for inviting people. Message settings, we'll talk about that later, and then leave the group. But right now we're just going to be using the edit group right here. So we're going to go back and edit. Click on that. And then you want to put some text. I already have some text that I've copied and pasted. I'm going to paste it right in here. And then you could use your copy and paste, or you could just start typing in whatever it is you want to type in. So you could put the information about your group here. Okay, and then you're going to say update. And now your group is going to look like this. This is all your information that you just put in here. Okay, and then if you decide that you want to go back in and change something, you're going to go back to that edit. Maybe you forgot to put your picture. You're the manager of the group. You want to have your picture there. You could just put your picture here. This is where it says remove image. You'll remove it. Click upload again, and maybe you want to put another picture of you. So then we'll put that picture of you here, and then you always want to update it. Okay, so this is just the basic tools right here for editing your group.